Why do knuckles crack? It's actually due to tiny bubbles in the fluid that lubricates your joints. Inside your knuckles there's a slippery fluid called synovial fluid, which helps your joints move smoothly. When you stretch or pull on your knuckles, you create space within the joint. This sudden change in pressure allows gas bubbles in the fluid to form and then quickly collapse, creating that familiar cracking sound. And no, it doesn't harm your joints. Studies haven't found any connection between cracking knuckles and arthritis, despite the old myth. So next time you hear that pop, it's just gas bubbles in your joints releasing pressure. No harm done.